Okay, so the word that we're going to look at today is biodiversity. Maybe some of you already know it. Don't worry, I'm going to give a lot more vocabulary in this video. If you don't know what it means, it's an important word for environment topics. Bio means life and ecosystems and all that. Diverse means different. So biodiversity refers to the fact that in the ecosystem, in the world, there are lots of different types of animals and plants, lots of different types of species. So when could you use it? Maybe a question like that. There are various questions you could use it. Some people think that a huge amount of time and money is spent on the protection of wild animals. This money could be better spent on the human population. So in this, you've got to kind of explain why wild animals are important. The question might also refer to plants, but generally in any essay where you've got to say why we need to protect the environment and why we need to stop climate change, why we need to stop pollution, stop waste, all of that, you can say because biodiversity is important. So why is biodiversity important? I'll give you a nice big sentence with lots of vocabulary. So, the ecosystems of the world are in delicate balance. Remember that. The ecosystems, whenever we talk about ecosystems, you can talk about the delicate balance of the ecosystems. It's a nice collocation. So whenever you talk about ecosystems, try and use delicate balance. Extinction of one species. This is all great vocabulary. You should know all of this. Extinction of one species can have a ripple effect, which is very nice idiomatic language. A ripple is like when you throw a stone into water, the circles that go out from it, those are ripples. Can have a ripple effect which would affect all other species, including humans. Notice it's okay to use humans here because we're talking in a scientific sense, and that's when we use humans. Don't paraphrase people to humans in a non-scientific sentence. Anyway, for example, and this is a very nice example of why biodiversity is important, we need bees to pollinate the flowers of our crops. Look that word up. It means the bee goes from one flower to another and helps the plant to make fruit. If bees went extinct, we would not be able to grow most of our food. That's a nice second conditional using we would, because it's a hypothetical situation. Great. So there is definitely a whole bunch of Band 7 plus vocabulary and language for you to learn. Biodiversity. Great. I'll see you tomorrow.